What's up, kids? It's Teacher Collins from High Owl Star. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about body parts. Are you ready? Let's go. Eyes, eyes. Mouth, mouth. Ears, ears. Nose, nose. Legs, legs. And arms, arms. Touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Touch your mouth. Touch your mouth. Touch your ears. Touch your ears. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your legs. Touch your legs. And touch your arms. Touch your arms. Do you remember these body parts? Eyes, mouth, nose, ears, legs, and arms? If not, you can go back in the video and watch again. That's it for today's lesson. I'll catch you guys next time.